In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can redeem a Fortnite Vbucks gift card. This is actually super simple to do no matter what platform you play on, whether it's PC, PlayStation, Xbox, Switch, or mobile. But if this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. So first things first, it is important to know that you actually don't redeem V-Bucks directly inside Fortnite anymore. Instead, everything is done through Epic Games. So either on your PC or on your phone, you're going to want to go ahead and open up a web browser. I'm using Google Chrome for this, but you could use really whatever you'd like. Essentially, just search for Fortnite gift card and hit enter, and you're going to see a redeem V-Bucks gift card section on here. Open that up, and this is going to be where you redeem your Fortnite V-Bucks. So go ahead and make sure that you're signed in to the same account that you go ahead and use on either your console, PC, whatever the platform is. And once you are signed in, up in the top right corner, select get started, and you're going to be taken to a page where you enter in that gift card pin. So go ahead and enter in the 16-digit code, and after entering in that code, go ahead and hit redeem, and that is literally it. The gift card balance is going to be immediately added to your Epic Games account. Now, to use it for V-Bucks, simply open up Fortnite or launch the Epic Games launcher, go to the V-Bucks section, choose whatever amount you want, click purchase, and when prompted, select the account balance as your payment method, and that is it. Your V-Bucks will be added instantly. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.